What do you make of what's happened this week with emerging markets?
Well, this week we have seen, obviously, the story in Turkey has taken huge prominence for markets. And as a result, we saw a little bit of contagion in price action coming through to other emerging markets. It's also partly the dollar move as well. So we've seen the broad trade weighted index in the dollar appreciating against other currencies. And that's also been a headwind for EM. So it seems there's a few things at play here. The Turkey story is one thing, additional sanctions on Russia is another thing, broad-based DXY strength is also weighing on EM, and then one can't discuss EM without talking about China, and some of the macro data there has been disappointing.
At the same time, is there a turnaround? We had a bar chart up, we can pull it back up. It'd be good to look at it, because what that bar chart basically illustrates, if you look at it on a 1 week basis, as opposed to a 1 day basis, that a lot of these bonds are strengthening, including even in Turkey and Argentina. It seems to be turning around. Is that what you're observing?
There's certainly a sense of the bear market fatigue coming through. I think Turkey, we can ring fence it because that story is very quickly evolving. We had some indications that there might be a rapprochement between Turkey and the US, but I think there's a lot of headline risks right now on that story. So Turkey is fairly volatile right now. But I think in the broader EM space, yes, there is a sense of bear market fatigue starting to build in now, and we are starting to see people looking for value.